Right, so welcome back to another video. I lost a trade today, so I've literally just bought a new fresh 100k account, and I wanted to go risk a little. Well, I risked 1.3% today. Usually do about 1%, but I wanted the first trade to be a good trade, quality trade, and we've hit stop loss. Nice, but it's annoying, man, because the setup is really nice. So go to the weekly time frame. You can see how price was making lows, high, high, low, high, 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 low. Okay, and then we finally broke under. Okay, and to this point we never had really a low high on the weekly time frame until now. So we had this pullback, and we can see how it's retesting this area here of support, resistance, a little bit more resistance here. Okay, so this is a nice respected area. So I was expecting a little reaction. Now I'll go to the daily. Yesterday we had a beautiful reaction. Okay, we had a daily bearish engulfing candlestick. So I did want to get in today, and if you can see on the 4 hour, what can you see here? So we've got a beautiful reversal pattern here. So you've got a nice head and shoulders pattern, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and that's what you see when price does want to move the other way. So we literally came up to this area of interest, rejecting psychological level of 27,500. I couldn't even read then. And then if you go down to the 2 hour, it's even cleaner. So this head and shoulders, we had this huge push down yesterday. So I was waiting for a retest of the neckline of the head and shoulders, and that's what we got today. So go to the hourly time frame. Sorry, I'll go to the 30-minute time frame, and you can see, so price, this was the recent lower high at this point as we were pushing up this morning. So once we broke above that, then that's when we shift structure, and obviously I didn't want that to happen because we were selling, but that's what did happen. Okay, so we did shift structure. So I went to the 15-minute. Obviously we shifted structure on there as well. So this was the recent high low we had to break in order to shift structure. Okay, so price pushed down, we finally broke under this point here. You can say this is the last higher low. In my opinion it is, because obviously I don't really want to wait for price to break under here, because it is quite far away. So I wait for price to break under. That's exactly what we did. Give us a retest and then engulfing candle. So there was news at 3 p.m. so I was actually out around 2:30, and I got back just at 3 o'clock, and I seen this engulfing, and I was like, shit, I need to get in. And obviously I waited for the 15-minute candle to close, engulfing perfectly, and we were looking alright. And then all of a sudden price has rejected this area of support here and just absolutely ripped up. It's quite annoying because you can see the hourly 2 hour candle just absolutely rejected and made a huge wick on the hourly as well. Things like this happen, and it's really annoying because I had 2 setups looking for today. So in my last video I was looking for Euro AUD, NZD USD and NZD CAD. They never gave me anything. They actually switched back to bearish. Sorry, I never entered this trade, I just put that on there before. But if we go to GJ, I was looking at this trade as well, and look at that. That just happens. Like, you've got 2 setups for the day, you pick one, and you pick one and it loses and the other one wins. It's the most annoying thing you can do, but this was very clean as well because we've got a clear area of interest here. Go to the 4 hour, look how clean the structure is on the 4 hour. Clearly making low highs, low lows, low highs, low low, low high, retesting previous support. and we absolutely melted, and this trade was actually perfect, so very painful, but it is what it is at the end of the day. Like, there's no point getting angry, but that's where I would have entered, because we've got a left shoulder head, right shoulder here, break, retest, AMA, engulfing, perfect. But yeah, so the account is literally on now. I'll get it up actually. So we are on 98,590, so we lost around 1.4% today. I'll show it for you there. So yeah, great day trading. Gonna look out obviously for over the next week, next couple of days, see what we can do. But I do believe this trade is still going to go to the downside. But if it doesn't, then we just got it all wrong, the whole thing wrong, which is fine. It's annoying, but because we can obviously see price could just be rejecting this value gap on the daily, and we might push up to retest this EMA up here. But yeah, to be honest with you, that's sort of what I'm waiting for. As well as Euro AUD, I want price to break under this head and shoulders here, because we are still bearish as well. That's pretty much it, to be honest. But yeah, really good day trading, and I can't wait to get a payout. No, honestly, it will come. I know it will. Like, for anyone else that's out there struggling, it's hard. The journeys, no one else understands it, honestly. Like, just losing and then losing and then losing again, and then you lose again. It's like, oh my god. But the days, this is a journey at the end of the day. Like, one day you'll be looking back and you'll understand the struggle, but it's not just going to click one day either. I don't think so anyway. I think it does take a very long time, because I've been trading since about 1.5 years now, and it's still, like, I know what I'm doing, do you know what I mean? Like, I know everything pretty much, but it's just some little mistakes. But I don't even think I made a mistake on this trade, to be honest with you, because my entry signal, boom, there, retested this neckline. Like, I'm just overthinking it now. So, but yeah, drop a comment if you guys do want to see more videos, because my last video got about 26 views, so better than 5, which I used to get. So yeah, drop a comment. I like to see anyone else's feedback or anyone else's pairs they're looking for, because I want to create some sort of community where we can all share each other's ideas and stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I'll see you guys in a bit.